Unlocking the Essentials, your guide to an admission checklist. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning an engaging and insightful journey for you. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that many of you might encounter, especially if you're planning to study abroad or apply for any educational program: the meaning and importance of an admission checklist. We'll break it down so you understand not just the definition, but also how it applies to your preparations for admission. Let's get started. An admission checklist is essentially a comprehensive list of documents, requirements, and steps that an applicant needs to fulfill to be considered for admission into an educational program or institution. It's like a roadmap guiding you through the application process, ensuring you don't miss any critical component that could affect your admission chances. Key components. Typically, this checklist includes items like application forms, personal essays, recommendation letters, transcripts, test scores, like TOEFL or IELTS for English proficiency, and sometimes, proof of financial resources. Why it matters: by following an admission checklist closely, you can systematically tackle each requirement, making the process less overwhelming and increasing your likelihood of submitting a complete and compelling application. Knowing what's on the checklist is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you understand how to use it to your advantage. 1. Start early. Give yourself plenty of time to gather all the necessary documents and meet the requirements. Some elements, like gathering recommendation letters or preparing for tests, can take longer than expected. 2. Stay organized. Keep a folder, digital or physical, for each requirement, tracking your progress and deadlines. This organization can be a lifesaver, especially when dealing with multiple applications. 3. Understand each requirement. Make sure you understand what is expected for each item on the checklist. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to contact the admissions office for clarification. 4. Proofread and review. Before submitting your application, double-check everything against the checklist. Ensure all documents are complete, accurately filled out, and free of errors. While admission checklists are incredibly helpful, applicants may sometimes face challenges, such as understanding specific requirements or dealing with anxiety over the completeness of their application. Seek help when needed. If you're unsure about any part of the checklist, it's crucial to seek advice. This could be from the admissions office, educational consultants, or even online forums. Stay positive and persistent. The application process can be stressful, but maintaining a positive outlook and being persistent in meeting all the requirements can make a significant difference in your application journey. We hope this video has shed some light on what an admission checklist is and how you can utilize it to streamline your application process. Remember, the key is to start early, stay organized, and seek clarity whenever needed. Your journey to admission might seem daunting at first, but with the help of a well-structured checklist, you're setting yourself up for success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language learning tips. Here's to your success in your educational endeavors.